Discounting diet and other such methods of relief brings me to the pivotal point of this audiobook. You see, while diet changes do in fact really help, they are by nature difficult to implement. And let's face it, who really wants to cut everything they enjoy out of their diet? Step 1. Fasting, also known as detoxification. Fasting is nothing new and is well known to be beneficial for those of us wishing to rid our bodies of the harmful toxins trapped within. Although fasting is not crucial to the success of this treatment, it is, however, a great way of kickstarting and speeding up the process. Individuals should make their own decision on whether to fast or not. I've included it because it helps. For more information, please see the fasting chapter above. Step 2 involves apple cider vinegar, taken twice daily. Here's how you can incorporate it. Add 2 tablespoons of organic, unpasteurized, and unfiltered apple cider vinegar to a medium-sized glass of filtered or mineral water. You may substitute the water for fresh apple juice depending on your taste preference. The glass should hold approximately 8 ounces of water or juice. Drink this tonic first thing in the morning, before breakfast, and again before retiring to bed. It's crucial to use only the organic, unpasteurized, and unfiltered variety of apple cider vinegar, as this contains the mother, which is apparent as cloudy sediment. Apple cider vinegar is pivotal to this whole method. It may sound absurd, but it works. Step 3. Diet modification. Step 4. Eat fresh cherries daily, but only for the first 2 weeks. Try to eat at least 5 every day. Step 5. Drink plenty of filtered or mineral water. Drink at least 2 liters per day, every day. Apple cider vinegar in its most natural form is the secret ingredient used by thousands of people to treat a wide variety of illnesses. This component combined with the other elements described will help you achieve your goal. Vinegar, and notably apple cider vinegar, has been employed for its medicinal properties throughout history. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, is known to have treated patients with vinegar in 400 BC. For thousands of years, people have been aware of vinegar's benefits. Generations of families have passed down this age-old remedy, knowing of its remarkable properties. Folk healers and alternative therapists have continued to use and recommend apple cider vinegar as a treatment for specific diseases, ailments, and as a daily health tonic. Modern-day science would have you believe that alternative treatments like this are little more than hype. I have read articles regarding apple cider vinegar, articles which ridicule the use of the liquid as a medicine, medical articles which say there is no proof that apple cider vinegar has any medicinal properties in the treatment of arthritis. Hype doesn't last for thousands of years. Apple cider vinegar works, and has always worked. Just because medical science can't explain it, doesn't mean it doesn't exist, or in this case, work. As they say, the proof is in the eating. Is it better to use something that nature intended as a medicine, or is it better to fill your body full of chemicals and toxins to keep the drug companies happy? Apple cider vinegar must always be used in its purest form. You must always use organic, unpasteurized, unfiltered ACV, and this variety contains the mother. The term mother refers to the unfiltered sediment which is visible at the bottom of the bottle. This sediment is very important as it contains all of the goodness. Distilling and filtering the apple cider vinegar removes the mother, rendering the tonic as little more than useless. The treated and mass-produced apple cider vinegar is the kind you will find in most supermarkets as it is pretty to look at. Don't be tempted to use this variety. Pure ACV can be purchased from most health food stores or online. Always use the liquid as described and don't be tempted to use capsule supplements as an alternative. Apple cider vinegar is known to kill bad bacteria, fungi, and viral infections. ACV cleans the digestive tract and inhibits the growth of damaging fungus, and it removes crystals and toxins from the joints. ACV also helps the body's digestive system work to its optimum. Apple cider vinegar is rich in potassium, which is needed by the body to promote new cell and tissue growth. Also contained are calcium, iron, and phosphorus. Taking apple cider vinegar regularly is known to maintain the body's natural pH balance. Research suggests that apple cider vinegar may also be beneficial in lowering blood pressure, helping control diabetes, relieve acid reflux and sinus problems, and combat skin disorders including allergies.